One of the things we've done that's so helpful is everybody we talk to, we ask them, what are the topics that are most important to you? What are the topics that are less important? So as we plan future editions, we can really put emphasis on the topics that people are most likely to use. Another thing we've gotten that I ask people all the time, what do your students look like? What types of students do you have? What are their majors? What are their interests? And I've compiled this list of majors that are common for people in this course. So as I'm working on the next edition and I'm writing new applications problems, I'm trying to gear them towards a lot of these majors that I hear about. Things like allied health is important, criminal justice, hospitality management, and I'm going to forget some, so I'll stop my list there. But I really do listen to what the feedback I get from people that are teaching this course, the boots on the ground people, and it's just so important to me in improving the quality of the experience for the students and for the instructors. In terms of reactions from students and other instructors, I love when I hear the word engaging, because that was really my primary focus, is to write a book that's engaging for the students. And fortunately, I do get that word a lot, so I like that. Instructors will say, you know, my students will say, wow, this is a math book that I can actually read. I've heard things like students will say, you know, I've never taken a math course before where I understood the math that was going on and I understood the relevance of it. And that's another thing that the book is about, is showing that relevance to the students. So those are the reactions that to me are most meaningful, because it's exactly what I was shooting for in the book, and it's just gratifying to hear that I hit that target. I was heavily involved in the process, both in terms of choosing the team to work on these products, and I was in contact with the team as the products were being developed. In the case of LearnSmart, I acted as the lead author. After all of the questions were done, I would go through the chapters as a reviewer, add my comments, ask for changes and things like that. And a big part of that was making sure that there was a consistency both with the way the content was covered in the book and with the language. We really wanted to have a consistency in the online resources that go along with Math in Our World. So one thing that we did is I did the lecture videos myself. And there's some other books where if you look online for the videos that go along with the book, they look suspiciously familiar in that they're general purpose videos that were repurposed from a different book. That's not going to happen with Math in Our World. The consistency of voice was important, so I did 120 some lecture videos myself, which obviously gives us a great deal of consistency. If you're interested in contacting me or further information, check out the book website at www.mhhe.com/Sobecki.